Hey y'all, it's Andrew with Hoffman Lawn Fertilization out here at a brush clearing job. So essentially we're gonna take this property from what you see behind me to this, all cleared out. Keeping the big desirable trees that are established that we wanna see, but getting rid of mainly a lot of the honeysuckle and little saplings. The folks that were here at this one, they had just purchased it, I think within the last 4 months, let's say. And they really had no idea of what their property was like or the potential of it. So the thought is now is that they're gonna end up planting grass down here, and that is a process in and of itself. We'll probably come through and get a lot of these branches and sticks with a grapple bucket, and then we're gonna pile them up. He's already done some of that here. And you can actually hear him off in the distance. He's over on the hill. Pretty dramatic changes, like I said, especially when you compare to, how thick of a jungle it was and now what we've got, a bunch of usable space. Pretty cool. If you're looking to get some work done like this on your property, please check us out at hoffmanslawncare.com. Simply fill out that estimate request form. We'll come out and do a walkthrough, come up with a game plan for you. Thanks, guys.